Well, made it up on a very extremely windy day to the house. No, they haven't done anything since yesterday, I guess. This is going to be all concrete right here. That's all going to be concrete. We're going through the woods and out the other way. There's a little it was bigger than that. It's not. I thought it was a lot longer than that. Yeah, let's go look at the concrete. For some reason I thought that was bigger, a little longer than that. I guess it's not. Yeah, we got rebar in there. They stopped. Oh yeah, look at that. That's reinforced. Yeah, I like it. Here's my, I had them put this in. After I retire, I want to get a toy hauler. So I'm going to park the toy hauler right here. That's big enough. There's the pad for the air conditioning in the apartment, which is kind of cool. So this is big enough. This is big enough for my toy hauler. Hope it's wide enough. It'll be tricky backing it in. Yeah, look at this. All this concrete right here. This is what we wanted. Didn't want to waste any of this right here. So this is a concrete. Here's my shop. We haven't done any insulation yet. And he hasn't fixed those holes up there. Let's see what the inside. Oh, I like the sidewalk back here. Oh, here's the pad to the apartment. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's got a slope. Huh. Very cool. Now I got the drywall in here. Hopefully there's no deer in here. I'm going to close these windows so the deer don't come in here. Nice. Here's what I'm doing all my cooking right here on the lean-to. Have our refrigerator in there. Let's look at this now. Yeah, a nice little sidewalk here into the house. See if we got anything else done in here. Yeah, I like how they rounded all that though. That looks good. This is the master bedroom. Just walked in from there. Here's the master bed. Ooh. Haha, I'm ready for paint. This will be a door, apparently. Door. That's kind of cool. Rounded to, that's gonna have to cut off that for a tub. Yeah, this is kind of weird. I think that was a mistake. But I think it'll be good. My wife won't have to go all the way around to go to the bathroom. This will be her office. Here's the dining room. Oh, I got this guy too. Oops. This is all going to be stone. Just that same stone outside that we have on the house. This whole thing side will be stone. All the way here. Oh, they haven't started the fireplace yet either. That's going to be brick. in stone. Yep, let's walk down this way. Bedroom. Bathroom. And another bedroom. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, dark in there. It's got a place for shampoo. Oh, too bad that wasn't a walk-through. Well, that's a big closet, though. Very big closet. And back out to the garage. Oh, pantry. Not a very big pantry, but it's okay. Laundry room. Garage. New hot water. Right though. Well, I better get my wife on the FaceTime so she can see this too. Bad. Okay, I'm gonna walk by the front of the house. We're going to have a sidewalk here that comes to the driveway. Then we're going to have another sidewalk that starts here to probably be the whole length of this and goes down that slope. Oh, got some sun. Down this slope, and that's where the other driveway, the circle driveway, is going to be over there. So this driveway will be like 75 feet long to the circle driveway. Have another sidewalk here. So when people come over, they can park down there and walk up to the front of the house. And here's more stone for the fireplace and the kitchen wall. This is cool. This is what they use to round the corners. I didn't know that. I thought they rounded the drywall, but they put these on there so you can't chip them like you can drywall. So I didn't realize that. I saw it when I was in there. Here's the other side of the house. This is a side bathtub right there. This is the side. Here's the back. Ooh, look, got nice trees there. Here's the back. Here's the sidewalk here. Let's go in the house. I don't think I've showed you that.